In this video, we will explore several command line tools that can be used for querying domain name system, or DNS records. These tools are essential for network administrators, developers, and anyone interested in understanding how domain names are translated into IP addresses. We will be covering dig, nslookup, and host, each offering unique features for performing DNS lookups. Each tool provides detailed DNS information, with some being simpler than others. We'll also see which tool is preferred by network administrators. Let's begin with the dig command. The name dig is short for Domain Information Grouper. It is a powerful command line tool used for querying DNS name servers. Dig is part of the Bind, or Berkeley Internet Name Domain DNS software suite, and is favored by network administrators for its comprehensive output. Dig allows you to retrieve detailed information about DNS records, making it an invaluable tool for troubleshooting and network analysis. The basic syntax of the dig command is as follows: dig followed by the domain name, and then the record type you are interested in querying. For example, to query the A record for example.com, you would type dig example.com A. To query the MX record, you'd type dig example.com MX. Now let's take a look at the output you can expect from the dig command. Here's an example of a typical dig output. The first highlighted line indicates the version of dig being used. The question section shows what was asked in the query, in this case the A record for example.com. The answer section provides the IP address associated with example.com. In this case, it's 93.184.216.34. Additional information includes the query time, the server used for the resolution, and the time when the query was made. This detailed output is one of the reasons dig is preferred by network administrators. The dig command comes with a range of options that allow you to customize your DNS queries. Here are a few commonly used options. The plus short option displays a concise output, providing only the essential information. The plus null plus answer option shows only the answer section, hiding other details. The @server option allows you to specify a particular DNS server to use for the query. The T option lets you specify the record type to query. The plus trace option follows the delegation chain for a domain, showing the sequence of DNS servers involved in resolving the domain name. For example, to get a short output for example.com, use the command dig plus short example.com. To query a specific DNS server, like Google's public DNS server at 8.8.8.8, type dig at 8.8.8.8 example.com. To see only the answer section, use dig example.com plus null plus answer. To trace the full resolution path, use dig example.com plus trace. Next, let's discuss the nslookup command. nslookup, short for name server lookup, is a command line tool available on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It can be used in both interactive and non-interactive modes. While nslookup is simpler than dig and provides less detailed output, it's still a useful tool for performing quick DNS queries. To use nslookup, simply type nslookup followed by the domain name. To query a specific record type, use the type equals option followed by the record type. For example, nslookup type equals example.com will query the A record for example.com. To query using a specific DNS server, type nslookup the domain name followed by the DNS server address. For instance, nslookup example.com 8.8.8.8 will use Google's public DNS server. Here's an example of the output you can expect from the nslookup command. The output starts by indicating the DNS server used for the query along with its IP address. Following this is the non-authoritative answer, which includes the name of the domain and its corresponding IP address. In this example, the server being used is at address 192.168.1, and the address of example.com is 93.184.216.34. While less detailed than dig, nslookup provides a straightforward way to obtain essential DNS information. Finally, let's explore the host command. The host command is a simple utility for performing DNS lookups. It's part of the Bind DNS software suite and is designed to provide minimal and easy-to-read output. The host command is useful for quick checks and scripts. It performs both forward and reverse DNS lookups. The basic syntax is straightforward. Type host followed by the domain name. To query a specific record type, use the T option, followed by the record type. For example, host tmxexample.com will query the MX records for example.com. To query using a specific DNS server, type host the domain name, followed by the DNS server address. The V option provides a verbose output. To summarize, let's compare the three DNS tools we've discussed: DIG, nslookup, and host. DIG provides detailed output, offers powerful options, and is scriptable, making it ideal for network administrators, DNS troubleshooting, and detailed analysis. nslookup is cross-platform, features an interactive mode, and has a simple syntax, making it suitable for quick lookups, beginners, and cross-platform environments. The host command offers minimal output that is easy to read and scriptable, making it best for quick checks, scripts, and simple DNS verification. The choice of which tool to use depends on your specific needs and the level of detail required for your DNS queries. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.